Mastering causative passive voice. Say it without doing it. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of English grammar. We're going to talk about the causative passive voice, a nifty tool that will make your English sound more natural and nuanced. As always, we'll share some common mistakes and tips to help you master this advanced concept. Before we jump into the tips, let's briefly recap what causative passive voice is all about. In a causative sentence, we talk about someone causing something to happen rather than doing it themselves. And when we use it in passive voice, we focus on the action that was made to happen, not who caused it. For example, the car was made to be cleaned, emphasizes that the car cleaning happened, not who arranged for it. When it comes to causative passive voice, a few pitfalls can trip you up. The most common is confusing the order of the words. Remember, the structure should be subject plus was, were plus made plus to be plus past participle. Be careful not to omit the to be before the past participle, as this is a common mistake. Another common mistake is using the wrong verb form. Ensure that the verb after to be is always in the past participle. For instance, it's the room was made to be cleaned, not the room was made to be clean. Now, onto the most exciting part. Tips to master causative passive voice. 1. Practice makes perfect. Just like any other grammar point, the more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become. 2. Look for real-life examples. Spotting causative passive voice in books, movies, and daily conversations can help solidify the concept. 3. Use it in context. Don't just practice sentences. Try to incorporate causative passive voice in your spoken and written English. 4. Make it fun. Play games, write stories, or engage in role plays using this structure. Learning is always easier when you're enjoying the process. 5. Get feedback. If possible, have a teacher or a knowledgeable friend review your use of the causative passive voice. They can catch mistakes and provide valuable advice. We've reached the end of our journey through the causative passive voice. Remember, mastering a language takes time, so don't rush it. Embrace the process, keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun along the way. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning, and keep speaking English.